Dear student, today we will start lipid solubility test. This what is the purpose of this test? This test is used to demonstrate the solubility of lipid in various solvents. What are the reagent and glassware required for this analysis? We required distilled water, oil, cold, ethyl alcohol, ether, acetone, and chloroform. Okay. Then we require test tube stand, test tube holder, and pipette with the sucker. First of all, you have to take four neat and clean test tube. Then you label them T1, T2, and T3 and T4 for analysis. You have added 3 ml of water in T1, and then acetone in T2, then chloroform in T3, and alcohol in T4. Then you have added 4 to 5 drops of oil in it. Then you have mix and shake it vigorously and allow it to stand. Then you observe the solubility of oil in each test tube. Heat the test tube in water bath and again observe the solubility. Lipid and water separate soon after mixing, whereas clear solution is formed when ether and chloroform dissolve in lipid and oil. After heating, ethanol is also dissolved in lipid, otherwise less solubility of alcohol in lipids as compared to ether and chloroform. There is no effect of heat on the solubility of water in lipids. Principle, what is the principle of this reaction? The rule of nature is that like dissolve like, polar dissolvent polar, non-polar dissolvent non-polar solvent. Organic solvent dissolve organic solvents. Organic molecule water is a polar and inorganic solvent and does not dissolve in organic and non-polar liquid solution. Ether and chloroform and acetone are organic and non-polar in nature. That's why they dissolve lipid. While ethanol is organic but have some polar characteristics and have tendency to dissolve lipids after heating. So you can say acetone, N-hexane, ether can dissolve lipid because they are organic and non-polar in characteristics. But water does not dissolve oil because oil is non-polar component and organic, and water is polar and inorganic. Now we will see a video to perform a lipid solubility test. I have taken 4 test tube and added distilled water and organic solvent in a test tube 1, 2, and 3. And 4 test tube contain distilled water. Then I have added 1 m of oil, 1 ml of oil in all these test tubes. After adding oil in all these test tubes, I have seen that water does not dissolve oil, but acetone, chloroform, and N-hexane or ether can dissolve oil. Here you can see the analysis result after putting all the oil in your 4 test tubes. So these test tube contain organic solvents, so they can dissolve easily oil. Here you can say N-hexane, it easily dissolves the oil because it is organic in nature. Here you can see the acetone, it easily dissolves the oil because both are non-polar and organic. Here you can see the acetone. You can see here there is no differentiation between solute and solvent. Here there is a clear differentiation between solute and solvent. Oil has less gravity as compared to water, so it floats over the surface of water. You mix it vigorously, but it may again make the clear separation between the two solvents. Water is downward and oil is in the upward layer. So this is the lipid solubility test, and it is very easy to understand the solubility of lipids in various solvents. Is it clear to all of you?